Hi, so this is the part 2, the my trial of the reassembly, the whole thing together. Well, let's see how it works out. Well, the basic thing is just watch out for the particles on the O-rings, because just focus the camera, right? Because it may cause a leak, and you better use some lubricants. I bought those two from the MP Airsoft. I guess there is other brands and other stuff to use. This one is more paste like, and this is the more liquid one. Well, there is a lot of substance to use on that, of course. Silicone based, probably. Okay. So the first thing is, I guess this is the first thing, I guess, is the solenoid to go, probably. Well, yeah. Let's just see. Better double check that I cleaned it, okay? Okay, I'm fine. Right. So this one goes like that. Okay. Of course, watch the O-ring. It's very important. So as I have told in the previous video, it is important to remember how far this part was screwed in, because there is a movement that must be. Okay, this so as before, I'll just take my two screws and go for it. Two screwdrivers, excuse me. Okay, I guess I will loosen up a bit, just a bit, like that maybe. So you see, my movement is very tight. I don't have much movement. See, you can barely see it, and I think it is a bit too much, but what the heck, why not? Because I can just take it down apart in a second and tighten it up again and try it again. Spring, and of course back to the housing. It all goes hand tight. Don't go too strong on it, okay? You don't need to like brute force. It's all hand tight, just like the same force like you tighten a bottle of Coke, okay? So just don't overkill it. We'll be gentle with it. It is a pneumatic system. It is not like usual gearbox or something. So just take care for that. An important issue that I want to talk about is the alignment of this part. I haven't found any information about this little hole right here, but I just assumed that it goes to the lower part of the housing. Oh, I forgot to clean this part. Look Look at this mess. Look, I just tried to focus the camera. Look how much dirt, okay? That what happens if you don't take care of your tube properly when you unplug the gun. So I just clean it real quick. Try to use your nail for the corner because this is what did it get? Right. Okay. So you can see the ventilation is much better. Okay. Well, I hope I'm doing this correctly because I did try it once. It works, and maybe I'm wrong. So if I'm doing this wrong, just try to just send me a message and I'll be glad to. So I just go with this little hole to this hole because the logic is you want the spread of the air properly from the all sides, so it's only reasonable that the smallest hole will be from the inlet from the pressure. Yeah, just clean it up. It's really dirty. The whole system is already lubed. Okay, I used my lubricants on it already. I'm going with this part first because I really want to watch from here and to align my holes. Okay. Hand tight, not too much force. Well, as you see, it did move, so I can actually adjust it by moving the nozzle. Okay. I hope I'm doing this right. Don't really have idea. Okay. Oh, almost perfect, but no, good for me. I don't really care. Okay, last part. Well, that's it. Of course, you need to connect your tube here. Hope it worked. Hope I helped. Bye.